Dealing with hoarding situations requires more than just removing items. It requires understanding and empathy. At See It Gone Junk Removal, we specialize in compassionate hoarder cleanout services in Marysville, CA, and beyond. Facing a hoarding situation can be overwhelming. Our specially trained team understands the emotional challenges and is here to provide support every step of the way. From ensuring safety to handling items with care, we approach each cleanout with kindness and professionalism. Led by Francisco Garcia, our team offers personalized service and extensive experience in handling complex cleanouts. We prioritize discretion and respect, ensuring your privacy and comfort throughout the process. A clean, organized space can truly transform lives. Through our Hoarder Cleanout services, we've witnessed remarkable changes in both spaces and lives. From improved health to enhanced happiness, the benefits of a clutter-free environment are undeniable. Ready to reclaim your space and start anew? Contact See It Gone Junk Removal today for compassionate hoarder cleanout services in Marysville, CA, and beyond. Let us help you transform your space and your life. Have more questions? Give us a call today.